Okay, CL7-124. So we have a biologist who is sitting near a pond and noticed a large number of dragonflies. He also saw both frogs and fish trying to eat the dragonflies. He counted a total of 89 fish, frogs, and dragonflies. He noticed that there were 4 times as many dragonflies as fish, and that the frogs were 5 more than twice the number of fish. Okay, so this probably will remind you of using the 5D process, but I think at this point we're probably comfortable enough to just come up with equations. So it looks like, if you guys notice, that both all the animals are being compared with a fish. So I think we could let x, or the variable, represent the number of fish. Okay. Let's see. So fish is just going to be x. For frogs, okay, let's look at the frogs. There are 4 times as many dragonflies as fish, and that the frogs were 5 more than twice the number of fish. So 5 more than twice the number of fish. Well, twice the fish is going to be 2x, and then 5 more than that, so 2x plus 5, or 5 plus 2x, it really doesn't matter. And finally, the dragonflies. There are 4 times as many dragonflies as fish, so that would be 4 times x, because it's 4 times the number of fish. Okay, and then the total number, so the fish plus the frogs plus the dragonflies is going to be a total of 89, which means, as far as the fish goes, fish is just the x, okay, plus the frogs are going to be the 2x plus 5, plus the dragonflies is going to be 4x, and that's still equal 89. Okay, so really we just have to go ahead and solve this equation now, solve for x. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and combine the like terms. Okay, that means we have x, 2x, and 4x. That means there are 7 x's. And then we have plus 5 equals 89. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and solve by getting the constants over to one side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract by 5. Subtract 5. So I end up with 7x equals 84. Okay, and then finally we're going to go ahead and divide by 7, and I'll have x equals 12. Okay, x equals 12. Okay, now that we know that x equals 12, well, we know that there are 12 fish. Okay, for the frogs, let's go and do this in a different color. Is 2x plus 5. That's 2 times 12 plus 5. That's 24 plus 5 is 29. And then for the dragonflies, I'll put df. That's just 4x, which is 4 times 12, which is 48 dragonflies.